Welcome to Talking Heads. I'm Andy Shaughnessy for the Printed Circuit Engineering Association. With me this afternoon is Clive Wall from Fine Line. How are you, Clive?
I'm good, Andy. I'm good. Thank you.
Good to finally meet you in person.
That's good. Finally we meet.
Finally. Clive is in charge of, you're a VP of U.S. operations, right?
Yeah, VP of U.S. operations for Fine Line Global.
Okay. Why don't you start off, give us a little background about yourself and the company.
Okay, so I've been in Fine Line now for 10 years. I've been in PCBs 40 years now.
Okay.
So I started off as in engineering.
Okay.
In the good old days of photography.
Right.
Okay, moved into sales in the 90s, in the late 90s, and then moved up from sales up to the managing director role 10 years ago.
Okay.
So, yeah, PCBs all my life.
That's it. You started when you were 10, right?
18.
Yeah. Okay. Good. Well, I know you're interested in, obviously the North American market.
Yeah.
What do you have for the North American market? What do you bring to the table?
Okay, so Fine Line Global, we're a $300 million PCB trading company.
Mm-hmm.
90% of that revenue is in Europe.
Right.
Okay, we know that if we bring our service levels, our global supply chains into North America, we can succeed. We already succeed with business here that's managed from Europe, and we know if we build a presence here, we can grow that more. So we can, I think we can really develop the North American market.
What's the sweet spot, or whatever you want to call it, for you guys?
So we cover all technologies.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we cover all technologies. I think the sweet spot for us really is just our high service levels.
Mm-hmm.
We give good technical solutions, we give commercial advantages, and we give access to the global supply chains. So particularly for the North American market, with the China Plus One strategies, we can support that. So sweet spot, I would say we do all technologies, all volumes.
Okay.
So,
well, that's good. What are as you look out, what are the big market challenges you see right now?
The big market challenges, everybody's talking about it, copper-clad laminates.
Mm-hmm.
With the AI market taking so much of the materials, the glass fabric shortage for the standard materials, it's becoming a real pain point. Ever-increasing prices, availability, and it's causing a problem. But it's surprising for me, the number of companies I talk to where their PCB suppliers are not engaging.
Mm-hmm.
At Fine Line, we engage with them, we find value-add solutions. We can't solve every problem, okay? It's a global problem. But we'll find ways to minimize the cost impact, secure availability.
Right.
So, but that's, at the moment, that's a big challenge for us.
That's something. So what are some of the successes you've had in the U.S.? I mean, you've been working at it here.
I think the biggest success, we had a global customer where we were supplying business into Europe, and the performance into Europe was superb.
Right.
And they introduced us into their head office in the US.
Uh-huh.
Okay, and within no time at all, we started a supply consolidation program and lowered their total cost of ownership. Mm-hmm. And we're now producing hundreds of part numbers. For the last 4 years, we won their supplier award, which is based on delivery, quality, engagement, but also sustainability.
Right.
So this was a real success, taking a European customer and developing from their head office, supplying all around North America.
Right.
So we've also had successes with the China Plus One strategy, where we've taken customers who have not been able to build their own supply chains, take them into places like Thailand or Malaysia, so can support them achieving good cost, good quality. Yeah. So support on that. We've also had some really strong technical solutions where we introduce our global technical team. Mm-hmm. They'll work with the customers on their design for manufacture, design for cost, design for reliability, and make sure the customer's got the best possible product. So some real successes there.
Yeah.
And so what we want to do is bring those successes to the North American market.
Right.
It's and we know if we do that, we can scale up our operations.
Mm-hmm.
We've already have salespeople here. We'll build the back office, and we'll replicate what we're doing in Europe.
Right.
So,
well, it sounds like you got a good strategy going.
It's working so far. Well,
it seems like a pretty good time in the industry too.
Yeah,
Right.
yeah, it's exciting times. We're really looking forward to it. It's not going to be easy, but just some hard work, some good
Right.
initiatives, and we'll make it work.
Well, very good. Is there anything else you want to add? Anything we haven't covered?
No, I think that's really it. I think we've covered everything, really. As I say, exciting times. Fine Line are here to bring all our advantages to North America, and we look forward to talking to you again and talking about more successes.
All right. I'll see you on the road for sure.
Brilliant. Thank
All right,
you.
Clive.
Thank you,
Thanks.
Andy.
Once again, I'm Andy Shaughnessy for Talking Heads. Thanks for watching.